Hi, welcome to Mcvites. Today we're going to make a healthy breakfast that we call fruit puree. And I was eating this since I was a baby. Some important ingredients are apple and banana. Along apple and banana, you can add 3 seasonal fruits. Today I'm using avocado, mango, and strawberries. Along with the fruits, we're adding 4 almonds, 4 walnuts, 2 digestive biscuits, 1 spoon of flaxseed, raw honey, Nutella, and peanut butter with milk. First thing first, we're gonna wash the apple. Let's start chopping the fruits. Let's put all of the fruits in the grinder. It's ready to get grinded. Half of a mango, 4 strawberries, and avocado. The final step is to grind it. It's ready to be served. Let's enjoy it.
Yum! Wow! It's
Is it yummy? It's very delicious and healthy. Are you? Is it yummy? Are you?